Hello students, myself Usha Patil, Applied Science Department, CSMS College of Polytechnic, Kanchanwadi, Aurangabad. Today we learn statistics. In statistic chapters contents are range, coefficient of range of discrete and group data, mean deviation and standard deviation from mean of group and ungrouped data, variance and coefficient of variance, comparisons of two sets of observations. Next, measures of dispersion. Range. Range is the simplest measure of dispersion. Range is defined as the difference between the value of smallest atom and value of largest atom included in distributions. Formula of range. Range equal to L minus S. What is the L? L is the largest atom, S is the smallest atom. Now see the coefficient of range. Coefficient of range are the formula L minus S divided by L plus S. L also largest atom and S also smallest atom. Now see the examples on range and coefficient of range. First example, find range of distribution. Distributions are 200, 210, 208, 160, 250 and 290. Now see the solution. Arrange the data in ascending order. Given data are these and write the first arrange data in ascending order. What is the ascending order? Ascending order means smallest to largest. Now write the 160, 200, 208, 210, 250 and 209. Take value of L. L means 290 and S is the 160. Now use the formula range equal to L minus S means largest value minus smallest value. Largest value 290 and smallest value 160. That is the answer is the 130. This is the example of range. Now next example is see the range and coefficient of range of the following data. Data are 50, 90, 120, 40, 180, 200 and 80. Now see the solution. Arrange the data in ascending order. 40, 50, 80, 90, 120, 180, 200. Use the formula of range. L means 200 largest value, S means 40 smallest value. Range equal to L minus S. 200 minus 40 equal to 160. This is the range. Now next number 2, find the coefficient of range. Now continue on next slide. Coefficient of range. This is the formula L minus S by L plus S. 200 minus 40, 200 plus 40, 160 by 240. Coefficient of range 2 by 3 equal to 0.667. This is the answer of coefficient of range. Now next example, third example, find the range and coefficient of range of the following distribution. Xi is the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Fi 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. Solution are L equal to 50 and S equal to 10. L means largest value, S means smallest value. Student, here are two data are given, means in column format Xi column are values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and Fi column 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. Which value take here? Which is the L and S. We take only Xi column, not Fi column. Take only Xi column means class intervals. We take the value L in class interval and S also class interval. Okay. Now we use the formula of range. L minus S, 50 minus 10 equal to 40. Coefficient of range. L minus S by L plus S. L means largest value 50, smallest value 10. Largest value 50 plus 10. 50 minus 10 is 40 and 50 plus 10 equal to 60. Now we solve the 20 2s are 40. That's why her answer is the 2. 20 3s are 60. That's why 2 by 3. We write in fraction form or in decimal form. In decimal form 0.667. This is the range and coefficient of range of ungrouped data. Here given 2 columns. That's why its data is called the ungrouped data. We give only distributions, only numbers. These data are raw data. Okay. Now next examples. Calculate range and coefficient of range of the following data. Here also 2 columns given, but in first column value are given in range form. 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59 and 60 to 69. That's why its data is called the group data. Okay. But here we see the given data are continuous or not continuous. The given interval is not continuous. We have to make it continuous. Means जो एक क्लास इंटरवल दिया है आपको एक कंटिन्यूअस है क्या? नहीं है. कंटिन्यूअस कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? 10 to 19 है, 20 to 29 है, तो यहाँ पे 1 नंबर का गैप आ रहा है. That's why it is called the discontinuous interval. Now we make the continuous interval. How to make the continuous interval? 0.5 minus 5, 0.5 from lower class and add the 0.5 in upper class. 0.5 minus lower class and 0.5 add upper class. Every interval had same procedure. That's why we get the 10 minus 0.5, 9.5. 19 plus 0.5, 19.5. 20 minus 0.5, 19.5. 29 plus 0.5, 29.5. 30 minus 0.5, 29.5. And 39 plus 0.5, 39.5. Same process here. 40 minus 0.5, 39.5. 49 plus 0.5, 49.5. 50 minus 0.5, 49.5. 59 plus 0.5, 59.5. 60 minus 0.5, 59.5. And 69 plus 0.5, 69.5. Now see these class are continuous. Why it is called continuous? Because 9.5 start from 19.5. Again next interval start from 19.5. Here see here. 29.5 next interval start from 29.5. 39.5 next interval start from 39.5. That's why it is called the continuous interval. Okay. Now find the L and S. L and S also take the value from the class interval only, not take from frequency column. Take from class interval. That's why L equal to 69.5, S equal to 9.5. Range equal to L minus S. 69.5 minus 9.5 equal to 60. Now see, find the coefficient of range. L minus S, L plus S. Continuous on next slide. 69.5 minus 9.5, 69.5 plus 9.5 equal to 60 plus 79. Coefficient of range equal to 0.6722. Now exercise given. Solve these and ask me query in next lecture. First example, find range and coefficient of range of the following data. 40, 52, 47, 29, 45, 36, 47, 50. Example number 2, calculate range and coefficient of range of the following data. 29 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, 49 to 45. See student, here also interval are discontinuous. To first make it continuous and then find range and coefficient of range. Okay. Thank you.